Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with the giveaway. Now the first giveaway is going to be open to everyone and this is what is in it. I have a couple of ribbons from Stampin' Up. They're about 1/2 inch. One is yellow and one is green. Then I have Heidi Swapp Color Shine in the color Blush. Then I have a few enamel dots. And then some Mickey Mouse ears enamel dots. I have a stamp set that's from Pink and Maine. You have the stamp set and then you have the dies. I put this in so that you can make your own enamel shapes or flare badges. Got that in there. Now this I got in my cruise package and I already have this. So I thought I would just throw that in. So it's 4 crayons from the Vicky Bouton line, so it'll give you a chance to try those out, and also a paintbrush that you can put water in the barrel here, and then you can have like sort of a paintbrush with water on the go. So that none of that has been used. It's all brand new. So that will be prize number 1. Prize number 2 was actually given to me by Catherine from Crop and Create and to do a giveaway. So thank you, Catherine, for that. And this is open to Canadian residents only. And I'll tell you why. Because this will probably cost me quite a bit to ship. So just shipping to Canada. And so I'll show you what's in there. So there's a couple of flare badges. Then there's a stamp set, and then there's a die that matches that hello. Then there's some enamel dots that says Hello Easter. Then there's pink paisley Paige Evans, a 6x6 paper pad. Now this is considered a card kit, but you can use all this stuff in your scrapbook, right? You don't have to make cards. Then there's some ribbon and some twine. There's some pink paisley pick-me-up, some ephemeras. Then there's a sheet of punch-out die cuts. Then there's some card examples. So if you want to do cards with this, you could certainly do the cards. Then there is some envelopes in here. Some card blanks, and then there's some cardstock. So there's a few 8.5 by 11, and those are from Basil. So there's a polka dot one, and it's raised. Then there's like a greenish one, a yellow that's also got polka dots raised, and then a nice blue. And then for the pattern paper, it's from American Crafts Hello Springs. Ooh, I love that side. Then also from Hello Springs, this polka dot one. I like both sides of that one. And this one is from Doodlebug Design, Spring Things. I love that side. It's like a honeycomb, and that side is little bees. They're so cute. Then this one is also from Doodlebug, Spring Things. I love this color with the clouds, and then there's clouds on that side. So again, this is for my Canadian friends. So what you need to do to enter for these, for the Canadian one, make sure that you put Canadian in the comments so that I know you're from Canada, and because this prize will only be sent to someone in Canada. And second, and the third prize, I forgot to mention, I'm going to give away 3 classes. So there's going to be this that's going to be shipped to anyone in the world. This one right here. Then there's going to be this that's going to be for Canadian. And then there's going to be 3 classes that I'm going to give away. And that's again to anyone in the world. So what you need to do to enter is 1, leave a comment in the description box below. And what I want you to put in the comment right now for my birthday, I just put my classes at 53% off for 53 hours. So go check that out. It's for a limited time only. And what I'd like to know is what kind of classes would you like to see? And so put that in the description box below, and also put Canadian if you're Canadian. And this will stay open till the 31st of May. And I will draw on June 1st, the winners. And that's it. And I want to thank you so much for all your support. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.